Now, good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Wishing all of you happy Holi to you and your family. Now, we will analyze today weekly forecast from 17th March to 21st March. What is about a which is going to happen in the upcoming week. Means what the scenario can be created, what is the level, what is the WT can time, where from market will be bullish. We will analyze which sector will move, on which sector we will have to be focused, on which stocks where there is a combo we will have to focus for intraday swing. We will analyze first. Now, first we are trying to analyze in my last video which I have already shared. This is my last video where I have given all the analysis video, all the analysis video for your upcoming month and upcoming years. I have given all the things there. You can go and watch this. I have analyzed this as per WD GAN and also JM first cycle. Which dates are indicating, किस डेट को इंडिकेट कर रही है मार्केट फेजेज विल बी चेंज्ड एंड till when this phase will be continue. I have already discussed in my previous video. Now let me analyze Nifty first. So I have taken here Nifty. I have taken an indicator Ichimoku. Settings is 18 and 52. Conversion line 18. Base period 52. Base period 52. Base period is 52. Now, I have told here market has just closed below. Means what the rally started here on your 2 March 20 COVID. This candle has made the low, but इसके नीचे इस कोई कैंडल की क्लोजिंग नहीं है and it has given upside breakout and retracement. This rally is continued and till now market has given this kind of retracement, but still not two consecutive candles closes below of this, and now this candle closes above. Means what scenario can be expected here? If any candle closes above of this, it means that if it gives super breakout, so on retracement to this Ichimoku conversion line, to this Ichimoku baseline, sorry, it is for your conversion line. So market will be bullish and it will continue. So now, now मीन्स अगर ये दोनों लाइन के ऊपर में इफ कैंडल विल गिव यू ए स्ट्रॉन्ग ब्रेकआउट, इट मीन्स दैट अपसाइड रैली अगेन विल बी कंटिन्यू. नाउ दिस मंथ कैंडल हैज गिवन till now, means from this to this candle color is green. If in the upcoming days, upcoming months, if candle gives upside breakout, and what I have analyzed the date, I have analyzed a date there from, if you will go, I have analyzed a date from 4th June to 9th June, market will be in your super bullish trend. So in upcoming month of April and May, if it gives upside breakout, and in the month of June, if it takes retracement, here, then a superb rally can be seen and market again will create a new high from here. Now, what the rally, यहाँ पर दोनों कैंडल के नीचे में क्लोजिंग है एंड आफ्टर दैट इट हैज गिवन अपसाइड ब्रेकआउट एंड रिट्रेसमेंट. इसके नीचे यहाँ पर दो कैंडल ने क्लोज किया है. अगेन द it has given upside breakout और कोई दो कैंडल की क्लोजिंग नहीं है, एंड फ्रॉम हियर 5298 to 7800. This is your in the year 15 and 16. Now, so what the TCD band indicates? TCD band indicating there, it is your TCD band. TCD band indicating there in monthly time frame. Again, it has taken support on this band. This is the superb supporting zone. And if it closes above your both the band 24793, our next superb high can be seen. Again, this band has again a single candle from here. A single candle has not closed from this to this below your both the band. And what does it indicates in your monthly time frame? In monthly time frame, candle close, okay, here again, here. Candle closes below the line 22219. So in weekly time frame, little bit market is in bearish phase. So a second scenario can be observed here. If market touches this line and it takes retracement, it means if it does not close above the line, a super fall can be observed here in your weekly time frame. And this fall till 19,000. I have already analyzed in my previous video. Now, what is the next week levels? Next week levels from Nifty will be bullish above. If any hourly candle closes above this, it means that you have to plot this level. What you have to do there, you have to go and plot this level on hourly time frame. Okay. Superb resistance on your middle band. Now this is the fall. Last day, I have updated in my telegram there. This is a course which I have advanced course launched. No. Here I have given MCX trade. I have given here Bank Nifty trade 48,200 C at the rate of this. In the next session, I have given this trade on your Bank Nifty. This one. C trade. Bank Nifty. No. No. I have given this trade on 941 when in 1 minute time frame it has taken support on your middle band and it created bullish momentum from there, candlestick indicating that it has turned bullish. So I have given this trade here, and now I have given SL there, and again it has crossed this level and it has given super movement and hit all the target, and it hits all the target. 530 and it hits all the target till your second target 1023. It hits all the target 1023. When it has given this breakout, it has achieved all the targets. So I have given this trade of Bank Nifty on Thursday based on this TCT band. Now you can join Telegram. I will share link in my description. If you like video, and so you can also press like and subscribe button. Now, so what you have to do here, if you have to plot these levels on hourly time. Okay, I'm just closing this. Hourly time frame 22484. Just go and mark it. 228484. 484. And again mark it. 22309. Sorry, this is Bank Nifty. Sorry. Let me place on Nifty. 248. And again 2230. Now, if any hourly candle closes above this, so in that scenario, your SL will be 22372 and your target will be 22547, 22597, 22697. And all these things. And your final target is 23101 is your final target. And if any hourly candle closes below of this is your downside target, your stop loss is this. You can trade it for intraday and swing also positional. Similarly, for your Bank Nifty, if any hourly candle closes above of this is your stop loss and 150 point stop loss, and it is your target. You can book one lot there. Again, 50% of this is your stop loss. Again, trail, and it is your second target. Book one lot there, and again 50% of this is your stop loss. इस तरह से हम लोग ट्रेल करते हुए जाएंगे. Now, what is the weekly range for Nifty Bank Nifty? This is the weekly range for upside and downside. Now, 23085, it is your weekly range. And if you will analyze there, what I have given, target 6 is this. And it is your also weekly range where Nifty can trade between this level. So, for future and option sellers, you can sell any option above this or you can sell any options below this. अगर निफ्टी इसके नीचे क्लोज करती है 23101 के, entire profit will be your. You will have to take trade in weekly expiry. And if Nifty closes above of this, entire premium will be your. 99% it will happen. Similar for your Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, you can go and short the premium above this. Sensex weekly level, mid cap Nifty. And apart from this weekly level and also 50% of this level will act as your crucial one number magical. 50% of this market will dance between this level. This plus this divided by 2, and the level which you will get, it will act as your support and resistance for the entire week. You can trade. अगर इसके 50% के ऊपर में मार्केट निकले, इट इज बुलिश. 50% के नीचे मार्केट निकले, इट इज बियरिश. Means what you have to do, 23085.24 plus 21709.16 divided by 2, 22397। अगर इसके ऊपर में मार्केट क्लोज हो इट इज बुलिश, एंड इसके नीचे मार्केट क्लोज हो इट इज बियरिश, एंड इट इज वन क्रूशियल मैजिकल नंबर। नो, similarly, it is the labels, weekly labels for your crude oil. If any hourly candle closes above, this is your final target. And SL is 5829. And if any hourly candle closes below, it is your target, it is your stop loss. Similarly, it is for your gold future. Now, now, stocks which you have to watch for your upcoming this week: Metropolis, which is creating 4 combos, DV Slab 6 combo, Escorts 5 combo. What you have to do, it is on your 17th March. You will have to use an Excel which I have already shared to my premium members. Now you have to go and open this. Oh, it is already open. Okay. You will have to put there open price. For example, suppose open price of this is, suppose here I have taken Nifty and Nifty 5 minutes chart, and pre-market open price is what? 22541.50. So you just go and plot 22541.50. You will get the time 9:44, 11:55, 9:44, 11:55, 9:44. Now this is the timing candle, 9:44. This is your timing candle. Mark the high and low and take the trade. 9:44 means 9:40 to 9:45. What you have to do? You have to simply mark the high and mark the low of this candle. And it has given upside breakout, take upside trade. Long trade above this candle. And minimum risk reward 1:2. And then trade. 27 point SL, 57 point profit. So you have to do similarly. You have taken here Bajaj Finance. And what you have to do there in your Bajaj Finance, what is the open price? 8500. Pre-market open price 8500. 8500. No, you will get the time 10:56, 12:05. 10:56 is the time. 10:56. 10:50 to 10:55, you can also take 10:56. This is your timing candle. Actual, this candle contains 56. This candle contains, because if you will analyze in this one, 10:56, 10:56, this candle. No, it has given upside breakout. Okay. One time it comes and stop loss trigger. Next time, if you will analyze when 10:56 candle, a small candle, 10:56, you have marked 3 points, 5 points a stop loss. Okay, you have got 1:2. Okay, no problem. But again, when it has given downside breakout and on retracement, you can keep a stop loss little bit bigger, previous high, because it is 5 point a stop loss, and you can watch, you have got a superb trade there. Now, what you have to do, suppose here I have taken MCX. or any other. Now 4775.00. 4775.00. Open price 477. 11.6, 11.48. 11.6. This is candle and then 11.48. Wow. Superb candle. This is 11.6. Mark the high and mark the low and take the trade. It has given downside breakout, take the trade. And this candle is little bit bigger. So take 50% of this as your stop loss. And now 11.48, this candle. Mark the high and low and take the trade. Take long position here. It's a 1:6 risk reward ratio. What you have got it there. And here, this candle is comparatively bigger. So you will have to mark 0.618 levels of this. And then take the short trade there. After this breakout, short trade there. 19 point. Okay. 1:1 is still I sit there. Okay. Because this candle is comparatively very bigger. It is almost 40 point. And 40 point in your premium. Okay. 26 point candle. No. तो आप लोग इस एक्सेल की हेल्प से आप लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं और यू हैव टू keep in your radar Metropolis, DV Slab, Escorts for your 17th, Bajaj Finance, Eicher Motor, ICICI for 18th, ABB 6 combo, Wipro 5 combo for 19th, Deepak Nitrite 5, L&T 6, Siemens 6 for 20, and Doctors Reddy, PVR, Inox and Alchem for 21. Just similarly, find open price, put the price, get the time, mark the high and low, wait for breakout retracement, take the trade. Now, 14th November is an important astro eclipse date on this. Now, so it is major astro eclipse date. So first 15 minutes, its impact will be on 17th because market is closed on 15 and 16 and 14 and 15 and 16. So impact will be on 17th. Sorry. 15th March is there. 15th March. 14th March. Its impact will be on 17th. 17th March, first 15 minutes high and low, and take trade on breakout for intraday. This side candle break करे उस side intraday की trade. Mark first hour high and low on 17th and take trade for your positional. This our candle will act as your strong support and resistance. Above the high of this candle bullish, below the low of this candle bearish for the entire week. And this eclipse will continue to your next quarter. Market will dance between first 1 hour candle till next quarter. Now, important planet conjunction on 19th March, Sun and Neptune conjunction. Focus on PSU sector, PSU bank and pharma and tobacco sector company. After conjunction on 19th March. Important WD GAN astrological date on 21st March. It will decide market direction for next quarter. Means 21st March high and low. After the formation of 21st March candle, what we will do? What we will do there? What we will do there? We will do 21st March हाई एंड लो. अगर इसके ऊपर में कैंडल निकलती है, इट इज कंसिडर इफ कंटिन्यू 3 कैंडल्स क्लोजेज above, continue 3 candles, it is your 21st March high and low. If any first candle has given upside breakout, then next candle closes above of this, and also next candle, it means that right now bottom has been formed, and this rally will be continued till your next quarter. It will decide the trend for the next quarter, 21st March. And also planets conjunction in March, there are 5 planets conjunction, which I have already discussed in my last video. So, so what you will have to do, there will be, and this kind of 5 planets conjunction in the entire single month phenomena is about to happen after COVID first time. कोविड के बाद में ये फर्स्ट टाइम हो रहा है. सो there, so market will be much and much volatile, and super movement scenario can be super upside or downside movement can be expected after this 5 conjunction. Similar things happens in this kind of movement scenario happened in 2019. Result was COVID and lockdown and market crash. Same kind of scenario in March 25. Big planetary impact on all markets. So try to capture this planetary event as opportunity and earn so much reward. तो ये थी मेरी पूरी वीकली एनालिसिस किस स्टॉक्स पर. यू विल हैव टू फोकस ऑन पीएसयू बैंक, फार्मा एंड टोबैको सेक्टर. टोबैको मीन्स आईटीसी, tobacco sector. And also important date is 21st March, which will decide what is going to happen till the next quarter. 21st March high and low. It is very, very, very important date. So focus on 21st March, which will decide the next quarter movement. So ये थी मेरी वीकली एनालिसिस. ओके, टेक योर ओन decision before taking any trade. It is my analysis, my views, and also I am requesting you to watch previous video जिसकी मैं लिंक शेयर कर दूंगा. What is described there, what is मेंशन देयर, कि मार्केट में नेक्स्ट मूवमेंट कब से आएगी, कब तक कंटिन्यू रहेगी बेस्ड ऑन WD गैन एंड हर्स्ट साइकिल. एवरीथिंग हैज बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड इन माय लास्ट वीडियो. ओके, थैंक्स अ लॉट, हैव अ नाइस डे.